Well, good evening everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Mike Bass, and I hope everybody's having a wonderful evening out there on this Friday evening. I know it's going to be a little wet one tonight as a cold front moves through the Carolinas and offshore. Snow for the Northeast, snow for portions of the northwestern United States, as we take a sneak peek at your forecast here using the NAM 3K model. Okay, we're also going to look at the National Weather Service radar across the lower 48. We're going to take a look at our local radar here in Columbia, South Carolina, and also the watches and warning advisory map across the lower 48. Okay, if you're a new viewer, have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe today. Love to have you on board. Also, like these videos, share these videos, and get them out to as many people as possible. If you can help me to get these numbers climbing, greatly appreciate it. Tell your friends, neighbors, relatives, whoever about my forecast channel to get them numbers to climbing again. I greatly appreciate it. Okay, let's dive on into the forecast now. We're looking at the NAM 3K model, and we see a 981 millibar low pressure located over near Ohio, and that will continue to got a trailing cold front extending all the way back down to the Gulf of Mexico. Got a little skinny line of showers and storms that will continue to move off to the east southeast. May bring a few gusty winds and maybe a few strong thunderstorms. It cannot rule out an isolated tornado as this line moves through to toward the coastline of the Carolinas and southeast Georgia. We got snow flying on the north side of the low pressure system into portions of the northeast United States. Let's go forward in time. 9 p.m. the line continues to move through the Carolinas. It become a 982 millibar low, still over near Ohio and lifting off to the northeast with more snow and mixed precipitation. And as we go toward the 11 p.m. tonight, there's more snow flying over Michigan, portion of northeast United States, and also we have a trailing cold front still sweeping through the Carolinas. That line of showers will be extending from near Raleigh all the way back down toward Camden, South Carolina, Columbia, South Carolina, all the way back down to the panhandle of Florida by 11 p.m. tonight. Alright, as we roll forward in time, the line moves offshore by 4 a.m. Still producing a lot of snow showers, mixed precipitation, and rain across the northeastern United States. We quietening out across the southeast here as we continue to move forward. This is 9 a.m. Saturday morning. We got snow flying over the northeast. Trailing cold front still extending offshore across northern Florida. Maybe a few showers and storms in your vicinities as well across North Florida. Alright, as we continue to move on towards the 4 p.m. afternoon hour, the low pressure continues to move offshore. Still got a little bit of snow activity across the northeast United States. That's why you got a winter weather advisory, winter storm warning for your area. High pressure pretty much dominating the rest of the United States. The jet stream is right across here. That 540 line is the pretty much the cold air line. And south of there, you're warm. North of there, you are cold. Alright, let's go just a little bit further as we push this down. That snowing should be ending soon. Still quiet across the southeast. Still got snow and mixed precipitation flying over the northwest. Okay, now let's take a look at the radar across the lower 48 here. Well, the watches and warning advisories. Sorry about that, folks. But there's that winter storm watches, warnings, advisories over the northeast. We have wind advisory across the southeast and Ohio Valley with wind warnings, high wind warnings there as well. Tornado watch in effect for a portion of upstate South Carolina, a few counties in Georgia, and a few counties in western North Carolina. That should expire soon. I do not see that extending any further, so we should be good east of there. We have some flood issues over Missouri. We got a winter storm watch over portion of North Dakota. We have some pockets of winter weather advisory, winter storm warnings over the west, from California over to Idaho, Montana, and Washington State, and also over toward Utah. and a little pocket of high wind watches right there over Colorado and Arizona. Alright, here's a look at the Doppler radar across the lower 48 now. There's that little skinny line of showers extending. That will continue to move off. We've got a few little warnings popped up in the upstate of South Carolina and also in North Carolina and portion of Ohio. This up in here is mixed precipitation, snow flying over this region. Some shower thunderstorms on the southern portions there. Mixed precipitation flying over in the Midwest and also in the upper Midwest near the Canada, United States border around Washington State. And finally, here's a look at our local radar here in Columbia, South Carolina. There's that cold front. We got rain extending from Hickory, North Carolina through the Greenville-Spartanburg area. That's where some severe thunderstorms are rolling through. Also extending back into northeast Georgia. And we have a few little showers over here around Camden, over toward Columbia. They're kind of falling apart as they move to the northeast. If you were toward Darlington and Florence and Georgetown, Waltersboro, Charleston, Beaufort, Hilton Head, you look pretty good. Statesboro, Georgia, Valdosta, Georgia, Augusta, you're in the clear right now. So if you're in here right now, you're in the clear, but later on this evening it may get a little bumpy. So just stay tuned to your local media. Keep your NOAA weather radio on alert mode just in case a warning is issued for your location. And like I said, like these videos, share these videos, get them out to as many people as possible, and stay safe. If you're ahead of this line, if you're behind the line, you're in good shape because the severe weather has ended behind the front. Head of the front, that's where you have to kind of stay on guard until that front passes you by. Alright, well, I hope everybody has a great evening. We'll catch you back in the next one.